All right, move over to the other side.
I do puzzles.
You want to do puzzles? We're going to do something else now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to see if we can grow moringa trees.
Moringa trees.
Yeah, moringa trees. So these are the moringa seeds. See, these are moringa seeds, okay? So what we're going to try and do is we're going to grow these seeds. The way we're going to do that is we have a plastic bag. We need two things. Well, three things actually. We need a plastic bag. We need a paper towel. Can you say paper towel?
Paper towel.
Paper towel. What's this?
Dogs.
This is a bag, a plastic bag. A sandwich bag.
This bag.
Yep, and what's this? Luca's glove. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're open that. We're going to, what's this? This is a spray of water. Oh, too much. Okay, so what we're going to do, okay, we're going to open this. I'll let Luca spray, okay? We're going to open this like that. And we're going to put these seeds down here. Wait. We're going to put the seeds like that. We're going to spread them out a little bit. And we're going to put more seeds. No, not here. You're spraying your puzzles. Wet it up a little bit. I'm going to put more of these seeds out. Wow. Okay. No, not me. Do the seeds. Okay, you ready? Go. So I'm going to put that. You cheeky boy. You're wetting this completely. I want you to wet this. Go, wet it more. Can Tata try? Alright, let me try.
Oh my God.
Alright, go. No, but you gotta point it here. Point it to the thing, go. Press. So it needs to be completely saturated, right? Where we can see the seeds. Alright, Tata, try this for a bit, see? So what we want to do is completely saturate this. And that is going to be what germinates our seeds, okay?
Oh no, it's gone.
What's gone?
Oh, this one.
Which one? So we're going to saturate this completely, see, like that. And theoretically, so this is, look up. So when you have apple trees, do you like apple? Yeah. So when you have an apple seed, you can germinate apple seeds exactly the same way. Okay? You're spraying it onto the camera. Okay, so now that we've done that and it's really saturated, we can put this now in the bag. Okay? Cheeky does. Alright, so what we do is we put it in the bag like that. And what the bag does, it keeps the moisture. So, oh, did you just spray it in my eye?
Yeah.
No, that's cheeky. Mama, take the water. Luca playing with the water too much. Luca spraying everywhere again.
I don't spray again.
What do you mean you're not spraying again? You just said you sprayed it again. Anyway, so what we want out of this is in maybe a week or less than, maybe 5-6 days, we'll have some stuff sprouting. Don't ever spray it in your mouth. No. Always point it the other way. Mama.
I know, Mama.
Okay. Look, spraying again. Mama said tickle.
No, I know tickles.
No tickles?
No.
Why? So this is how you would start a moringa tree, or pretty much any tree, any tree that has a substantial seed. You would put it in a plastic bag, and the plastic bag creates moisture. Well, really retains moisture. Leave it.
Come with me.
You want it one more time. Spray one more time. That's not really do anything, but spray one more time. Okay, good work.
You got your Toy Story puzzles. Come.
Toy Story puzzles?
Yeah.
woody. Anyway, so what this basically does, it keeps the moisture inside, and it just really helps the seeds germinate. Once they germinate, so once you see the green, so you'll probably see two things. One is the root and one is the leaf, the first leaf. And the root and the first leaf, that very first stage, starts all from, there's a bit of energy in the seed itself, and that energy just gives it enough to basically get its first leaf. And that's when you should put it in soil, and then the soil will provide its other nutrients and so forth. You'd probably want to put this somewhere where it's relatively warm, because the humidity will help it crack open essentially and start germinating. So I don't know, what, maybe like 5 or 10 seeds in here. How many? Yeah, probably about 10 seeds in here, and we'll see how many germinate out of these 10.